Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning, afternoon, or good evening. This is another Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now I'm bringing you just 1 minute now, but you can get yourself 30 minutes for free, 1-to-1. Come over to ldlcall.com, book your slot, and we can have that chat. But first, here's your quote for today. Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and think of what could go right. Look, let's be real here. Whatever you go out there and try and do, it can go wrong. It can fail, it can fall apart, and just go completely wrong. But on the flip side, what about all the good things that could actually go right? A positive mindset will only lead you to positive results. So just jump in and try and smash whatever it is you're trying to do. If you never try, then you'll never know, and you'll spend the rest of your time just thinking, what if?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.